This is yung request mo. Code po ash, maroon color. Pag ganyan sis yung ilalim niya. Code po ash maroon. Okay, code is ash black color. Code ash black color. Okay, we have ash white color po. Okay, code ash orange color. As alive. Sino mo pala nag-live si sis Jenny? Nag-live. Nag-live. Okay, code po ash. Ano ba to? Para siyang para siyang ube color. Okay, code po ash army green. Ash candy color sis, code ash candy. Okay, we have ash rust color. Okay, ash. Wala to sis. Hindi ako nagpapamay ng off-white eh. Ash candy color. Sis yung kahapon. Wala pa sis yung kahapon. Yung bag, alam ko sis na invoice na kahapon. Kahapon ba o ngayon? Ata yung bag, sis ang invoice. Tapos yung live natin sis kahapon, tsaka ngayon, magkasama po yun, i-invoice sis tomorrow, ha? Okay, code ako sis ng code. Code ash. Code ash pastel purple. Okay, code po ash skin tone. Code ash pandan green for 380. Okay, ash dark gray. Code ash dark purple. 380 is for ash. Okay, ash brown colors. Okay, ash blue. Ash ocean blue. Okay, ash navy blue. Ash apple green. Okay, ash pomelo color. Ash mustard. Ash cream and ash neon green po. Okay, ash emerald or forest green sis. Ay, emerald, wala sila sis emerald. Ang green lang nila sis, shade of green. Army green lang po, army green. Army green lang. Isa lang yung cases Rizal. Okay, ash maroon, black and army.
Ano?
Versus G. Isa lang yung cases Rizal. Ito atang army green ako. Okay, ash maroon, black and army. This is G. Ash maroon, black and army. Okay, yours this is for maroon, black po and army. Maroon, black.
Baka yung suot nila yung gusto mo, di ba?
And army green. Army green po. Okay na, no? Maroon, black, and army. For sis Gina. Last one. Okay, ash ube. Ash ube. Ash ube is yours. For sis Pamela Enriquez. Screenshot niyo agad mga sis, ha? Ay, yung suot ko daw versus Rizal. Yung suot ko daw is yung versus Rizal.
This is Rizal. Anong green yan? Green ano?
Christmas green. Okay, ash pastel purple. Yours na sis for ash